Hi, teacher Erika. This is my story of de la real vida. Some time ago, to be more precise, in the year 2002, I was joined doing some English work for my brother. It was about 12 o'clock at night. When I did the task, I was getting ready to go bed and I felt that I was knocking on the door. I waited to ask. This was but they didn't not anymore. The next day I left for the university in the morning. Suddenly I just John and I got off the university working to house of my friend Jairo Ramirez. When I was arriving there were many people in the house, something that was not very usual. I finished arriving and everyone was crying. I asked what happened and they told me that my compadre's mother had been brought in dead the night before at around midnight. I asked what happened and they told me that my compadre's mother met a man and weeks later went with him to visit a father. The mysterious thing about this story is that my compadre's mother was a beautiful lady with no winning kid though. She played soccer and the man was just the opposite, touch, ugly. Finally, the explanation he has that my compadre's mother was playing soccer and fell. But the strange thing is that the dead woman arrived clean, and my compadre says that she's no longer playing with those pains because they were too small. The doctor suspect was that in the hospital he took advantage of the pain and entered the morgue and dressed her himself. In the end, there were more questions than answers about the death of my compadre's mother. Thank you. This is my story de la real vida.